Hi, welcome back to another Vlogmas episode. I hope you enjoyed that Christmas parade footage from my city's tree lighting ceremony and our Christmas parade. It was a lot of fun and it's definitely got me into the Christmas spirit. I'm so ready to decorate. Today, so far, no sales, which is how it goes for me. Sometimes I'll have like a 3 sales day. I have like a huge little bundle of sales, and then I'll have no sales days for like a day or 2. Then I'll have one, you know, that's just how it goes when you're part-time and you have a really small closet like I do. I did get 2 new listings up, which I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is a new listing. It's a 2006 Inland Invasion t-shirt. It's K-Rock is like the biggest alternative rock station here in Southern California. So it was Guns N' Roses headline, Alice in Chains, Muse. So it's a pretty simple shirt, but it's cool. From 2006. I went to the 2003 K-Rock Inland Invasion. The Cure headlined. It was so much fun. And another new listing is this vintage MGM Las Vegas casino jacket. I don't think it's real satin. It's probably like a poly blend, but this is an extra large and it's listed now in my Poshmark closet. It's a men's, but definitely unisex and just super cool vintage. So today I want to unbox some of my Cyber Monday purchases. I didn't do a lot of Cyber Monday shopping. I just did one purchase for my reselling business and then one for personal, and also because I wanted to support a small business. So I want to, let's do this one, the small business Saturday purchase. Actually, this is from Cultura Cosmetics. So it's actually a co-worker of mine. She has a cosmetics line. Okay, I found the scissors. So this was a bundle of liquid lipsticks, and I got a pair of eyelashes. And it was actually called the Carnalas collection. Carnalas is just a slang word for like sisters and friends. So it's 4 liquid lipsticks. And here, this one's called Chamaca. So here's the color, like a berry. And I love these colors. I love like berry reds and like wine colors. I feel like they go really well with my skin tone. This is Culera, which is like asshole. Another like red. This one's deeper. This one's more of a blue base. Yeah, see the difference? This one's more like cherry. Ooh, this one's gonna be good. Carnala. This is like a wine colored. Very deep. I love this. I love this. And then the last one is Chula, which means like cutie. I love the names too. It's so creative. Another deep wine color. So this one has a little, yeah, they're all different. So here are the 4 shades. You can see the range. So they look similar, but they're not. So this one's a lot darker. Carnala's a lot darker. Yeah, I think I'm gonna love this one, but I love them all. Ooh, I'm so excited to wear these. And then I'm gonna show you. Oh, look, they gave me some candy. And then the lashes. I'm not good with lashes, but these are magnetic lashes. So if you have trouble putting lashes on like I do, it's really hard for me. I recommend magnetic lashes. So this is a magnetic glue liner. So you just do your wing like regular eyeliner, and then they just like clip on. It's crazy. It's so easy. So if I can do it, if I can do lashes, you can do lashes. So these are Karma. It's pretty much a natural wispy lash. This is just the thank you card. It says Gracias Belleza, thank you beautiful. And this is their business card. And this is their, oh, it's backwards, their Instagram. So I'm gonna leave their link and Instagram down below. And then my other Cyber Monday purchase is for my business. So let me get that for you. I needed new photography lighting I need a new kit because I sold my old one when I moved out of my office, just because I was downsizing and I did need an upgrade. This is an LED lighting kit. So I'm so excited to use this. That's why I've been filming in this like weird corner of my room with really bad lighting, because I got rid of my light kit, but then I quickly realized that I needed one. I do need one. It's an essential reseller tool, especially for someone like me who doesn't have like a lot of space. I work full time, so I photograph at random times of the day, so I can't really rely on sunlight even, because I do a lot of my photographing and filming like late at night. So I did need this. But yeah, here is the link to the Amazon site. It was $129 shipped, and it's LED lighting, so we'll see how it goes. I'll probably test them in future videos and I'll let you know how they a flat, see how thin it is, LED lamp, which means no more light bulbs. Here is the on button. See how like first it's yellow, then it gets brighter, and then you can control how wide it is, the different light settings. I love it. And this is just one of the lamps. There's 2 lamps in the kit. And then this is a case that it comes with. I love that it has this little carrying case, and there's also a remote control to control the lighting. And yeah, it's an LED video light kit. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog series. I thought it would be something fun to do and just get an insight of, you know, how I balance work life, like my personal life, and a part-time reselling business. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more of Vlogmas.